What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make $120 or even more by typing online. And this is easy for beginners also, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you, as I said here earlier today, how you can make 120 or even more. It actually all depends on how much effort you can put in and how creative you are with this method by typing online. Now keep in mind, if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below at the end of this video, of course. Now, make sure you stick to the end because I'm also going to show you a method on how you can get even more typed here with this method. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so we are actually going to apply for as a writer here. Content writing is what we are going to be involved in, and as I said, make sure you stick to the end because I'm going to show you how you can have a lot of content written very fast also. So the first site that we can go to is actually textbroker.com. People go to this site when they want to have content written in all kind of niches, or if whatever kind of content, more or less actually. They want to have written for the videos, for a video sales letter or whatever. So you need to figure out a little bit where you think that you could actually apply for this. I mean, if you have a hobby that you're passionate about, that you think that you can write on and so on. But you don't have to limit yourself only there because it's super easy, as I said. I'm going to show you here. But let's have a look first at the site here. So we are interested to go to I write content, and let's go to the payment here. Now you can see here your earnings at a glance. You get actually paid as a 2-star writer, 0.7 cents per word. 3 stars will pay you 1 cent per word, and the higher you get, of course, the more you get paid. Okay, so by doing a quick calculation here, let's say that we are a 3-star writer. By writing 1,000 words you get $10. Okay, so that means, of course, that we can actually write 10,000 words and make $100. But the more we write, we'll pretty fast get up to 4 stars. And you can see here with 10,000 words, it is $140 that you can make. Okay, so of course that if you get 5-star ratings, you can see here you make $500, which is pretty amazing. And it's not hard because if, as I said, you're specialized in something that you are very good at, they want to hire you, they will pay you for this, so no doubt about it. So don't limit yourself there. So this is a perfect way, as I said, to get started. All you have to do is just sign up here, and you're not going to wait here only for Text Broker. I'm going to show you a few sites here because you want to sign up to a few more sites so that you can have more consistency actually to get some work done here. So another site is, of course, Upwork. Upwork.com is one of the most popular freelance sites. So if I just type writing here, you can see here technical writing. You might be good at technical writing. Look at this, top quality writing, $49 per hour. Digital marketing, consulting, video production. You might want to write for video, $20 to $40 per hour. So $40 per hour. By working 3 hours, you can see that you get $120 per day. And look at this, 10K earned. All right, so as you can see, this company has made a lot of money by doing this kind of services here. Look at this, 20K earned, $55, German search engine optimization and SEO writing. Now if you have another language or you're skilled at something, as I said, you definitely have a big plus, so don't limit yourself because people are looking for it. I mean, people are searching for a German content writer, okay? And this guy has made 20K with offering this kind of services. So look at this, 20 to 45, $35, okay, $40, $50 per hour, 4K earned. So basically you're going to start, of course, to sell yourself a bit low, but as soon as you get a few testimonials and feedback, you're definitely going to increase the price. Make sure if you can find something that you're specialized in, you will have a big plus, as I said. And of course you're not going to limit yourself only with these two sites. So you're going to site like Fiverr, and you can see here if I type article writing or writing, for example, we can see here I will write a killer German article for you, starting at 46 euros is $50, 500 words article $20. So for 1,000 words it makes 40, and let's say that you write 3,000 words, you're up to $120 easily, okay? And it is only 3,000 words, and I'm going to show you, as I said here, soon how you can have a lot of content fast typing. So you can see here I will write a non-profit video script that tells your story, starting at 69 and 67, and yeah, as I said, there are really no limits, okay? And there is a lot of people, this guy, for example, in German, okay? So if you say how many people could actually want German content, well, he has actually 524 gigs here, okay? And we can just have a quick look at it here. For a premium writing, so who says that you only get $50 here? For a premium writing up to 800 words of irresistible content, he charges $111, and that is $120 actually, okay? So as I said, if you're specialized in something, you have a big plus here. And there is a lot of other sites also. Freelancer.com is just one site. So as I said, make sure you sign up to a few of these sites so you can have a consistent work, because you can't wait for just Textbroker or Upwork to send the jobs to you, okay? You need to apply. You need to sell yourself a bit low, because every day people are posting new projects. So you want to go in there, make it as a habit, go there once a day and look at what kind of jobs is available, and where you think that you're a good fit, apply for it. Sell yourself a bit low in the beginning so you can get started, and then you can increase the price, because when people see that you are good at writing, they will hire you again and again and again. That is the good thing. And as I said, I'm going to show you also how you can have really quick typing here. So what you're going to do is you go to Google Docs. If you don't have Google Docs, you will get it automatically by having a Gmail account. So you do need to create yourself a Gmail account. And Google Docs, this is how it looks when you arrive. Now, you can see here that if we go to Tools, there is something called voice typing. So by going to the voice typing, and when I'm going to click here, I'm actually going to show you how you can have a lot of content typed fast. Period, new paragraph. This is super easy method, and I think we can easily have up to 1,000 or even 2,000, or why not even more content written per hour. All we have to do is be creative. Period, new paragraph. We can basically do a research, have it written and typed with voicing, and then of course we can correct afterwards. Period, new paragraph. Okay, I didn't know actually what I was saying, but I just wanted to show you how easy and fast we could have content written. So let's have a look at, you can see here, with this very quick, I think it was probably like 30 seconds or something like that, I had 372 words written here. So you can see how easy and fast you can have content written here, okay? So Google Docs, it's totally free, so what do you have to lose? All you can do is actually you go here, let's say for example that we want to have a diet, let's say that we want to have a weight loss, okay? So do you mean weight loss? Yes, I mean weight loss. So how do you lose 10 pounds in a week? I'm just saying something really quickly here. You do your research, and what you have to do is actually do your research here a little bit. You can swipe, okay, don't steal, but you can swipe and use this, and all you have to do is just tell it in your own words. So by just reading to Google Docs with your own words here, this article, you can make it pretty much unique, okay? So we want to aim for unique, because if you do it unique, you will get more paid. So that is how it works. So that is about how to make $120 or even more by typing online. And as I already showed you, a very good way how you can type very fast. Now, if you're interested in build a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link in my description below here. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you will see here at the end screen. Don't leave yet. You will find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine, both are related to make money online, internet marketing, work from home, entrepreneurship. So all you have to do is subscribe to both these channels, hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.